Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to present the formula optimization feature. To launch the interface, open the Chat Copilot task pane, click on Examples, and select Formula Optimization. You will then see the interface for this feature. The idea behind this feature is that you can point the Copilot to a cell or range with formulas that you think could be better written. And the Copilot will attempt to improve them in terms of simplicity, clarity, efficiency, robustness, etc. Let's demonstrate this with several examples. Let's look at this example. Here is a table with name and ID number columns. In cell B11, I have a formula that uses the VLOOKUP function to search for Lily as the name and return the corresponding ID number. The formula works, but I have heard that the VLOOKUP function is quite obsolete today, and there are better functions to use for searching. Let's see what the Copilot suggests. We enter the cell reference B11 here, and then press Optimize. The Copilot indeed suggests using the XLOOKUP function, and proposes a better formula with XLOOKUP. It also explains why the formula using XLOOKUP is better than the formula with VLOOKUP. Nested if formulas are difficult to read. Increasing levels of if can create many challenges. Here is an example of a nested if formula. We have three bots, A, B, and C, each of which performs a calculation. Bot A is generally better than bot B, which in turn is better than bot C. Therefore, we use the result returned by bot A if it's available. Otherwise, we use the result from bot B. If not, we use the result from bot C. This leads to the formula in cell A11. We enter A11 into the optimization interface to see how the Copilot can improve its formula. The Copilot returns a new formula using the ifs function and explains that it's more readable than the original. I invite you to review the nested if formulas in your workbooks with the Copilot, which will suggest better rewritings where appropriate. In this example, we return to the table with name and ID number columns. We have a list of people here for whom we want to find their ID number. We write a formula using the XLOOKUP function and copy it to the other cells. This solution works. But have you heard of array formulas, which can be more compact than single-value formulas? Let's ask the Copilot to see what it suggests. We enter the range reference B11 to B13 here, and press Optimize. The Copilot suggests using one array formula to replace all these similar single-value formulas. We can also discuss further with the Copilot. For example, we could ask whether the array formula is more efficient. The Copilot confirms that the array formula solution is more efficient than using multiple single-value formulas. I suggest you go through the formula ranges in your workbook with the Copilot and use array formulas where appropriate. To conclude, there are many different ways to write formulas to accomplish a same task in Excel, and writing an optimal formula in terms of simplicity, clarity, efficiency, and robustness is not easy. There may also be advanced Excel functions that you are unaware of. Therefore, I suggest using this formula optimization feature to optimize your formulas and ultimately improve the quality of your spreadsheets.